Hello, I'm Jim Brewer for Rooftop Safety USA, and I'm here today to tell you about our rope access kit for chimney professionals. It's a great collection of safety gear to help you access difficult roofs and stay safe while you're up there. So let's talk about the items in the kit. First of all, probably the central piece of gear is the Petzl Astro Bodfast harness. Okay, that is a great full body harness with the built-in chest descender, which is really an integral part of the whole system. The Petzl harness is available in 3 sizes: 0 or small, 1 or medium, 2 or large. There is a sizing chart on the website, so you can make sure you're getting the right size. Most guys fit into a 1, but we do have the smalls and the larges. Okay, so the Petzl Astro harness has one built-in chest descender. On steep roofs, you use that in combination with a Petzl Ascension handheld ascender, so you work them in pairs going up steep roofs. You can make progress on roofs, 2012 pitch if you need to. But, roofs that are non-walkable, you can make good progress on those steep pitches and stay safe while you're doing it. Okay, next on the list is the Petzl Wig. The Wig is a descender for descending down steep slopes, and it also can be used for work positioning. It's a great device, can be used for rappelling or descending steep slopes, and also work positioning. Okay. Next on the list is the Petzl Jane. It's a lanyard that you use to attach the handheld ascender to your harness. And we also furnish the kit with 3 aluminum carabiners that are used for attaching the Jane lanyard to your kit. One is to attach the Petzl rig to your kit, and then the third is to use with our next piece of gear, which is the prusik line. You make a fall arrestor that can be used for just fall protection or as a backup to the rest of your system, and that comes with the kit. As you can see, this is a really complete kit. Okay. Moving right along, we have the ridge protector, which we use on shingle roofs to protect the roof and also to protect the lifeline. There's a video on our website about how to use that. So that's used in combination, of course, with your lifeline. We furnish your kit with 164 feet of Petzl parallel lifeline. This is a 10.5 millimeter lifeline. It's got a working minimum breaking strength of about 6,100 pounds. Very durable stuff. Okay, so you've got your ridge protector, your lifeline. Then we have our line deployment kit. The line deployment kit to get your lifeline over the roof. You shoot the tennis ball over the roof with the big shot slingshot that we have. This is basically an 8-foot slingshot. You can shoot the tennis ball over basically any building out there. I've gone over 3- and 4-story buildings with this. It comes with an 8-foot pole. It's a great slingshot. It sends the tennis ball with the tagline up over the roof. Then we have the caddy ball that is used for pulling the lifeline up over the roof. Okay. So Then we also have 2 pieces of webbing. Each one of those is 30 feet long. You use that for creating anchors, for example. You wrap the webbing around some fence post, around a tree, some solid object to secure your lifeline. For that purpose, we include 2 steel carabiners. The steel carabiners are used with the webbing to attach the lifeline. So complete kit. Then we also have the Petzl rope bucket, 25-liter rope bucket. This will hold up to about 250 feet of lifeline. It's a nice durable bucket for storing your lifeline in. So that works out great. And then no roof safety kit would be complete without a climbing helmet. We include the Petzl Vertex Vent, and it's a great helmet. It also qualifies as a hard hat if you're going into industrial places where you need a hard hat. It's white because white is the coolest on your head, and then it's ventilated so that you can open the vents in the summertime and let the heat out. So as you can see, it's a very complete kit. And then we also include this gear bag to store it all in your truck when it's not in use. So this is the complete deluxe rope access kit for chimney professionals. It's available now on our website, and it just makes it real convenient. I think you'll love this kit. It's ready to go. We also have videos about how to set up the harness. We have videos on the site about how to use all these various pieces of equipment, how to use the Big Shot, how to use the line deployment kit, how to set up the harness. It's all there. Check out the videos in the video section of our website. And certainly give us a call here at Rooftop Safety USA if you have any questions. We'd be glad to talk to you. We love talking about rooftop safety. Have a great day. Thank you.